Rogers' daughter took the stand today in an emotional first day of testimony.
Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson are on trial in connection to the murder of Rogers, and today both prosecution and defense laid out their cases.
WLKY's Alexis Matthews has been following this case closely. She joins us live now from Bowling Green. Alexis?
Vicki, Rick, good evening. While the biggest question of what in fact happened to Crystal Rogers was not answered during openings, jurors were told that evidence shows something happened and that Brooks Houck and Joseph Lawson were allegedly involved. Here are some of the highlights from day two. Now, the prosecution kicked off opening statements telling jurors to use their common sense when hearing the evidence in this case. And for nearly an hour, they targeted Brooks Houck. Yet the first name out of prosecutor Jim Lasowski's mouth was Rosemary Houck, Houck's mother, and an alleged co-conspirator in Rogers' disappearance, who is not charged. Now, in openings today, prosecutors said prior to Rogers' disappearance, Rosemary Houck asked someone to get rid of Crystal. And today we learned on July 3rd, 2015, Houck and Crystal had plans for a kid-free romantic evening that never happened. They ended up at Houck Family Farm for hours with their son, and Rogers has not been heard from since. Now, what prosecutors did not do was explain what transpired while at the property. The defense used that to their advantage, claiming the prosecution's case is weak with no physical evidence proving a crime. They point out that there's no body, no witnesses, no weapon, or no crime scene. They also argue that Houck and Lawson were charged based on theories and assumptions rather than evidence and facts. Now, because no cameras or audio are allowed in the courtroom, I'm going to go ahead and try to paint the picture. Now, media has assigned seats, and mine is directly behind Brooks Houck on the defense's side of the courtroom. And directly in the row behind me is the entire Houck family. Now, on the opposite side of the courtroom is Crystal Rogers' family, who, like the last trial, wear pink every day in support of Rogers. Now, with day two in the books, tomorrow will mark day three of this murder trial, where we're expected to hear more witness testimony. Live in Warren County for you tonight, I'm Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.